Want to join the coolest photo sharing party on the planet? Let's jump right into Instagram setup. First, grab your phone and head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram and hit that download button. Easy, right? Once it's downloaded, tap on the Instagram icon to open the app. Now it's time to sign up. Click on Sign Up with email or phone number for Android, or Create New Account for iOS. Enter your email or phone number, then tap Next. Or if you're a Facebook fan, you can log in with your Facebook account. Create a username and password, fill out your profile info and tap Next. Add a profile picture, write a bio and link your website if you have one. Follow some accounts to get started. Keep an eye out for a verification code via email or SMS. Enter that code to verify your account. And you're in. Explore the app, follow users, post photos and videos and start engaging with content. Welcome to Instagram.